Welcome to the spring and summer Bakmaha Avurudu. And today we are going to be making Bibikkan.
So I hope that you saw our last video where we made a beautiful Kiribati cake. Today we are going to switch things up a little bit and we are going to be making this Bibikkan, which in its essence is basically a coconut cake with treacle. So to start off with, we are going to roast the spices. So I have some cardamom here. Auntie, you can crush it for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like the seeds are released. So we are also going to put a little bit of fennel. We just want to roast it slightly. So it just takes a couple of minutes. So I'm going to get about 350 ml. So this has to melt. It'll take a little while to melt and thicken up and bubble. I'm going to add the spices. And we're going to add a tiny bit of salt. Lime zest as well. You can just scoop it out. Yeah? Here. Puldosi or pumpkin preserve. Forgot to cut the ginger preserve. So that you can put like as much fruit as you like. Bit of a mix. There. Separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. So we're just going to mix it up. I'm going to even this out, smooth it to the edges. So this will be baked now. Total bake time is about an hour, but it depends on your oven, of course. So now this is what it looks like once it's baked.
අපි රසම රස විවික්කන් කේක් එකක් හැදුවා. ඕගොල්ලොත් මේ වගේ කේක් එකක් හදලා ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ අවුරුදු මේසෙට එකතු කරගන්න. හිරු මගුලට හින හෙන්නයි